How to start your US business from anywhere in the world, Doola review. Hello everyone and welcome back. Now, whether you are an entrepreneur, digital nomad, or an online seller on platforms like Shopify or Amazon, gaining access to the US business ecosystem can significantly boost your credibility, financial access, and growth opportunities. Today, we dive deep into Doola and how it can simplify this process by providing an all-in-one, hassle-free solution for forming and managing a US-based LLC entirely online. Now, you might say, hey, Doola is a great tool for people that want to get started with business in the US. But why would I want to be using or creating my business in the US? Well, first off, legal protection. By forming an LLC, you shield your personal assets from your business liabilities. This separation is going to reduce your risk if legal issues arise. You also have access to the US financial ecosystem. You gain access to US bank accounts, payment processors like Stripe and PayPal, and better financial services that are typically not available or limited for foreign businesses. You have market credibility. A US entity adds legitimacy to your business, building trust with customers and suppliers and enabling you to tap into an enormous US market. You have tax advantages. Depending on your business structure or location, forming an LLC in certain states can offer tax benefits or simplified tax filing processes. And you have growing flexibility. With a US LLC, international entrepreneurs can scale their business, hire US employees or contractors, and easily expand to other states. So meet Doola, your business formation partner. Doola is a platform designed specifically for international founders who want to start and run their own US LLC without being physically in the US. What makes Doola stand out is that it is a comprehensive business formation tool. It handles everything and all the paperwork required for LLC formation in any of the 50 states. You don't have to deal with complicated legal jargon on your end. You have a registered agent service, which allows you to make sure that all legal requirements are fulfilled, and you receive official correspondence on your behalf via this particular agent. Doola provides reliable registered agent services, ensuring you stay compliant. You also have EIN acquisition, which is your employer identification number. It's like a social security number for your business. It's mandatory for tax filings and opening a bank account. Doola takes care of IRS EIN registration for you. You have your US bank account set up as well with the help of Doola, where accessing US banks as an international business owner can be challenging. Doola is going to streamline this by helping you open US bank accounts that support remote account opening. And you have ongoing compliance, bookkeeping, and taxes, so Doola services don't stop at just setup. They assist you with annual state filings, bookkeeping, tax filing, and provide dedicated CPA consultations. So to get started with Doola, head on over into Doola.com and then click on Create Account. Once you do that, you can proceed with signing on to Doola. You can sign up with Google or enter your information manually as well. Both options are fine and you can pick out whatever you prefer. However, if you are going to sign up with Google, make sure it is your business account that you are using, that you're going to be using for all of your business correspondence. Now, another question that I frequently get is that why should I be choosing Doola over any other platform? Well, Doola is trusted by over 10,000 entrepreneurs worldwide. Doola supports business founders across 175 countries with a platform built for diverse needs and complexities. They have strong investor backing, excellent customer feedback, all-in-one support, where formation to ongoing business management. Doola serves as your reliable partner, eliminating the juggle for multiple service providers. They also have affiliate and partner programs, so making Doola a great opportunity for influencers, coaches, or content creators to earn commissions while recommending a valuable service. So we're just going to proceed on over here into our Doola account, and we're just going to be signing on. Now, Doola is going to create a free account. You do not need to pay to get started or pay to create your account. And then you're going to enter the country that you reside in over here. After that, you're just going to click on next, and then you're going to choose, I want to form and start a new business in the United States. From that, I want to get started with an LLC, and then I'm going to click on next over here. From here, you're going to enter your company name. So my company name is Spencer, which I'm going to be entering over here, and then just click on next. Once you do that, you're going to choose your state. So they're going to recommend a state, and you can choose another state as well, and you will see a price for that as well in the one-time billing. Different states are going to have different pricing, so below that you will see recommendation and why it is recommending a certain state over another. So as you guys can see, it recommends Wyoming because it is simpler, it has simple information, lower annual operating costs, flexibility, and no corporate income tax or annual franchise taxing. Some states have additional requirements after your company is registered. You can view the full list of state-specific requirements here, and they provide you with the link. So I'm just going to proceed with Wyoming, and I'm going to click on next over here, and then I can proceed with my package. Now you can choose their starter, total compliance, and business in a box plan, whichever one you prefer. Then you can just click on next over here, and then we are going to wait up to 8 weeks for your average company to be formed. And then after that, you're going to see your overall company information, subscription information, and then your overall registration or state fees. And then after that, you're just going to click on confirm, and then you can proceed with your payment. Now, this is what I really love about Doola, is that they provide you with flawless formation or get your money back. So they also have a money back guarantee, and they have their own eligibility criteria, as well as what is covered, any extensions, guaranteed payout methods, and more. Now, this is what is so amazing about using a platform like Doola, is that Doola is amazing for people that are online sellers, digital nomads, remote entrepreneurs, content creators, coaches, consultants, or anyone seeking a turnkey solution. Because if you want a one-stop shop for forming, managing, and growing your LLC without complex paperwork or legal headaches, Doola is designed for you. Now, Doola makes it super easy for integrated taxation and compliance to streamline running your business. There's going to be no issue if you're a traveler or wherever you're living, because Doola empowers you to establish your US-based business presence without needing your US-based address. So Doola is amazing, and it offers you 3 different price plans to get started at. They have a starter, total compliance, and business in a box, and they also have Pulse for existing businesses with a 30-day free trial. Now, the starter is for first-time founders who need basics to launch with confidence. Total compliance allows 100% compliant tax, legal, and regulatory rules. Their core features include tax filing as well as bookkeeping and analytics. And on their business in a box, you can get started for only $329 per month, which gives you a dedicated bookkeeper as well. So I hope you guys found this video helpful, and you are now able to get started with Doola. If you want to get started with Doola, make sure to click on the link provided in the description box down below. So starting your US-based remote business no longer needs to be overwhelming. Doola removes these barriers by handling complicated paperwork and helping you in scaling globally. And Doola has affiliate and partner programs, which can help you in earning upwards of 50% uncapped commissions on referrals for the first year and 30% commissions on recurring lifetime customers. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or queries, make sure to leave those in the comments down below.